Howdy, beautiful people. It's Spencer Wood, the real estate cowboy. Mr. Chili, Mr. Stump are with us. They're in the truck because we are out here on 8 Old County Road in Marshfield, Maine, which might as well be Machias. This is actually downtown Machias, is right behind us here. So you can see the Machias River. You can see that tidal oceanfront over here right behind us. So you got some views of the water right here, sitting on 1 acre of land. Most of it is going to see, as you see here, is a paved parking lot. So you could, easily make this a really nice business. You could take advantage of it. This actually used to be an old pharmacy right here. So I'm gonna kind of creep this way and show you what we're getting into today. So 8 Old County Road, Marshfield, Maine, less than a crow step away from downtown Machias. You got views of the water in a couple different places here. And we're selling this building. So 8 Old County Road used to be a pharmacy, the Friendly Pharmacy back in the day. So it's commercially zoned. We got a nice structure up, 1 acre of land. Let's jump inside and show you guys what we got going on. Come on. Alrighty, we're inside 8 Old County Road, which used to be the Friendly Pharmacy here in Marshfield, Maine. Might as well be downtown Machias. The line is pretty much right here. You can walk to Pat's, you can walk to Dunkin' Donuts. You got the boat launch right across the road here. You got gorgeous views of the Machias River and the bay out front here. So really awesome little spot right in downtown pretty much here. You got 1 acre of land. Most of it is going to be this paved parking lot out front. But once we open things up here, you can see this is an old commercial building. Looks like it has a poured concrete slab for a floor here. It hasn't been in working condition in a while now. You can see they still got the old drive-through over there, plenty of space here. So for those of you that may be looking for a place to host a business out of in a popular Downeast area, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be a little over, I think 2,300 square feet of living, maybe a little bit more. I'll have to double check that. But we got this entire first floor here, and then we have a second floor as well. We got that paved parking lot out front. We got your circuit breakers. This actually had radiant floor heat in here as well. I'm not sure if the system is still in working condition or not. I'm not seeing any crazy water damage or anything like that anywhere. So if they shut the system down correctly, I'm assuming that there's radiant floor heat here as well. So could plug that up and be off to the races there. As you kind of move around this first floor, you'll notice this could easily, depending on what you wanted to do, bedroom, office, that sort of thing here. Quite a bit of space. It's all got this kind of like the corkboard roofing or ceiling there as well. All the walls in here seem to be pretty nice. No heat like baseboard or anything like that in here. Just going to be the radiant floor heat as well. And yeah, so we'll keep walking through there. All right, so we just came from that like office bedroom area, another kind of office area here as well. As you kind of come into this little section here, you can see all of the, the radiant floor heat stuff. Your entire system is right here, and everything looks to be in really great condition. Pretty sure they shut everything down right when they finally closed up the business. There was a really big security system here as well, ADT security system throughout the property. That is not running anymore, but you can also see, he's got speakers up here. It was a full-blown successful pharmacy business. So for anybody that's looking for a spot to maybe start a business or expand a business, this is gonna be a great spot to do so. You got not a full bath, but yeah, you do have a full bath, sorry. You got a full bath right here. It's got I'll turn my light on for you guys, but it's got a shower. You got your toilet here. So you're ready to rock and roll in that regard with the shower being there. So you got a big first floor, full bathroom down here. And this obviously used to be like the pharmacy space over on this side here. This was the drive-up window, all that sort of stuff, which I don't know what anybody'd be doing, but this seems like yeah, that'd be pretty awesome. As always, please like, comment, subscribe to the videos. We appreciate everybody's support. And to kind of get into the nitty gritty of this one, we're looking at almost about $2,300 a year in annual property taxes. sitting on 1 acre of land, mostly paved here. We're gonna be having an asking price of $125,000. So an absolute steal for this commercial property in downtown. Might as well be Machias, but we're technically in Marshfield. Obviously a lot of open space here to transform this spot into anything that you want. You know, this whole first floor is wide open. You could reconfigure it anyway and really take advantage of a big wide open space, or knock it down and start fresh and have some water views and stuff like that out there. So cool opportunity there. And we're gonna keep walking around and I'll show you what the upstairs looks like. And yeah, probably gonna be a quick video, but let's keep her going. So we've seen the first floor here of the old pharmacy. Now let's go up and check out this second floor or attic space here. Really big space up here. Nice chipboard flooring or plywood floor here. But big space. Most of it's insulated except for the very top here. Could easily make this into a couple different apartments or just keep using it for storage and stuff like that. You can see that's what they were using it for. But again, big spot up here. Could easily take advantage of this second floor. Like I said, make it apartments, maybe put some other offices or something like that up here. Take advantage of this mixed use that is here on site and develop this into something cool, or bulldoze it all down and start fresh. But either way, it's up to you. This is what it looks like up here. We'll head back downstairs, show you a little bit more of the outside stuff, and then we'll recap. I know it's a short video, but we got an acre and it is what it is. So you just got the tour of the inside here of 8 Old County Road. Couple things I just wanted to point out on the outside here. Roof is in great condition. You know, looks like it's relatively new. I don't know the year on that. You got gutters and stuff here as well. Could obviously use quite a bit of paint on the outside here, but nothing too crazy looking in that regard. And then as you kind of walk around, you'll see some of these old security systems and stuff of that nature. And then you kind of keep walking around here and you're gonna notice that we got 2 big owned propane tanks that are here on site, heating everything, taking care of what needs to be done. And on this side, you can still see a lot of that saltwater river and bay frontage over there in downtown Machias. So really cool opportunity for a couple different angles of waterfront here. And then the property essentially ends right up here against this house, and you can see this old well on site. Whoa, wind is whipping today. So yeah, this is pretty much what we're looking at here. You got an acre of land, ends right up against this white house, ends right up against that house, the road there, and the road up front. So pretty straightforward. Awesome opportunity for somebody to take advantage of a mixed use space, whether that be commercial or some residential units, something like that. Really awesome opportunity here. Again, we're looking at 8 Old County Road in Marshfield, Maine, right pretty much in downtown Machias. About an hour and a half away from Bangor and the International Airport. You're right in the middle of everything that you need right here, from groceries and restaurants to hardware and automotive and all that sort of stuff. About 5 or 6 hours from Boston, and you're obviously 1 second away from the ocean and boat launches and all sorts of fishing and recreation that we have to offer down here. This is also an ATV side-by-side friendly town, so you can run your side-by-side, your ATV right up and down the road here. So really cool opportunity to jump on the Downeast Sunrise Trail and really have some fun out here while also creating a sustainable money-making business. If you got any other questions, comments, concerns, you know what to do. Call the cowboy. $125,000 gets you an acre of commercial mixed-use development land here in pretty much downtown Machias. Giddy up.